Hello everybody, and welcome to another America's cooking class. This time we will be preparing brownies, okay? So stay with me and cook with me, alright? Get your ingredients out of the shelf and let's start cooking. Do you know what day is today? Today is 4th of July. And what do we celebrate on this date? Today we celebrate Independence Day in the United States. That's why we have prepared a special holiday dessert for you. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For these holiday brownies, we are going to need 200 grams of chocolate, half a cup of chocolate or cocoa powder, 4 eggs, 1½ cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and a pinch of salt. Let's start the preparation. In a bowl, you are going to add 4 eggs and the sugar. Then we're gonna mix the eggs and the sugar until we have a very smooth mixture. I'm gonna do it with mine and then I'm gonna show you what it should look like. So your mixture should look like this. A very white and smooth consistency. The longer you mix the eggs with the sugar, more air is going to be incorporated. Now we're gonna mix the chocolate and the butter, 200 grams of chocolate and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and put it in the microwave for 10 seconds. You're gonna put it in the microwave 10 seconds, remove it, mix it a little bit, and return it to the microwave for another 10 seconds until we have the chocolate and the butter melted and combined. Now that our chocolate is completely melted and combined with the butter, we're gonna add it to our mixture of sugar and eggs. All the mixture goes here. And we're gonna mix this until we have a very smooth and combined batter. So after mixed, your batter should look like this. A very rich and smooth batter. So now we're gonna use a sieve to add our last dry ingredients. So in here, we're gonna add our cocoa or chocolate powder and pass it through the sieve. And we also gonna add our flour. 1 cup of flour. And a pinch of salt. Again, we're gonna mix and combine these ingredients very well. Now that we have a very smooth and combined batter, we're gonna put it in a baking tray with butter and cocoa powder or chocolate powder. Now we're gonna put our batter in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And then we're gonna see the result. And finally, after 30 minutes in the oven, the result is this beautiful, fluffy, and delicious brownie. Come closer, let me show you. As you can see, our brownie is creamy, fluffy, and delicious, and with a very beautiful crust on top. Well, everybody, that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed our video, and I hope that you prepare our delicious holiday brownie in your house. Alright? Please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a wonderful holiday and happy 4th of July. Oh my God, that's incredible.